the S26 Vturn lathe, available from stock and for sale here at GM CNC in Oldham. Now, if you're in the market for a new machine, then you should consider the Vturn lathes. The reasons for it: they are very well received machines in the market around the world, and some of the reasons for that are down to their build quality. The machines are built in Taiwan. This particular model has a one-piece base casting, which is actually slanted at 30 degrees, which is quite different to some of the other machines that I see. And when I explored this detail, I came to the conclusion that the fact that the weight is lower down because it's a 30-degree bed, it potentially means the machine is more rigid. You've got that BMT turret there, which you can see, which means it's obviously a bolt-mounted tooling. You've got 12 tools on the turret. This is a two-axis machine. It's got 75mm bar capacity, and the weight of it, would you believe, is a whopping 6 tons, or just over 6 tons. Now, if you're in the market for a machine, why consider Vturn? Well, firstly, every customer I've been to that has a Vturn machine has had nothing but good things to say about the reliability and the performance. And of course, importantly, the precision of the machine on cutting all kinds of materials, from aluminiums right the way through to, to super duplexes and Inconels. I've seen these machines cut. That's what this S26 is designed for. It comes with a FANUC control and all the options that you see here on the machine: the chucks, the probing, the parts catchers, the parts bin, and the tail stock, all available on this machine, and it's for sale here from stock at GM CNC in Oldham.